welcome back to everyone. In this video I will guide you how to fix Wi-Fi calling drains the battery on Motorola Moto G37. Let's start the video if you want to fix this problem. So first of all, open quick settings panel, so just swipe down and turn on flight mode and turn off flight mode. Turn on or turn off flight mode 1 to 3 times. After the process, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, click on settings. Now in settings, click on system and update. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, click on settings app. Now in setting, click on system, reset option, click on reset all settings, enter phone pin, click on this icon. You will see your problem is solved. So please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.